welcome back to our channel, guys. We almost finished the Rocky Ridge project. We put our Rebel hood, which is look way more aggressive on this vehicle. We put the Rocky Ridge grill. We're almost finished with the tires, but the wheels from the Rocky Ridge not fit right now because we need to put the lift kit on this car, so it will be fit the same tires that we have on the back. We put fender flares already. They look really aggressive on this vehicle. We still not changed the exhaust system, but we'll change it with the lift kit and the exhaust system. So keep tuned on this one. So we have here the front lift kit is already there. We put the wheels. We have the caliper cover Rocky Ridge. This look almost like a Brembo. So you can see it down here. So we put all this stuff. It's take at least one day to put this front kit over there. We still doesn't have it on the back, but you will see a little bit later. So we'll be doing this today. So we have the spring wheel, we have some mounts, we have shocks, stabilizer link. We'll put the exhaust from Rocky Ridge. So we already painted here everything, so it's ready to go. And the most important thing, we have the badges from Rocky Ridge, which will be fit.
What about our new exhaust? Okay guys, we're joking. We're still working on it.
So this seats will be removing to put the Rocky Ridge interior. We already changed the screen, so it's 12-inch screen. It's not working yet, but we're still in the process to make it work for us. And the Rocky Ridge project is fully done. You can see the whole interior here. Lifted kit. So
Alex, are you crazy?
A little bit. Go check guys to the new project that we're making here. This project is all done. Lifted, fender flares, everything here, even the beige. You can see all the stuff is done. The calipers, trigger, Rebel hood, Rocky Ridge grill. So all the stuff is done. You see the cluster from Rocky Ridge. We have 12-inch screen. We have the Rocky Ridge interior. And the logo of Rocky Ridge. Even safe inside the center console. And also we have the exhaust system from Rocky Ridge. So guys, stay tuned for the new project with Alshned. See you later.